Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix ElevenLabs unusual activity detected issue. So a lot of people have that due to multiple accounts or maybe using a free trail. So you can see if you head up to subscriptions, you have this kind of subscription available, but sometimes it pops up an error. If you try to generate an audio, it says that unusual activity um, happening onto your account. So for that, either you can upgrade to a subscription plan using the link in the description below and get 50% off. So it is going to be a flat 50% off on all of these prices, as you can see. Or what you can do is simply use a VPN, so which is the most easiest way to get around. You can see you can simply switch to a VPN and plug that on, and most of the time this will be fixing the issue. So this is a really quick way to fix it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.